Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Sign into your Apple ID or Google account on the lost device and make sure location and Find My are enabled. Once done, confirm the phone can access the internet, Wi-Fi, or cellular, so it reports its position. Make sure the device has enough battery or is plugged in, otherwise real-time tracking won't work. Also note the exact device name and confirm location permissions for the account. This prevents accidental tracking of other devices under the same login. Next, open the Find My app on another device or go to Google.com/Android/Find and locate your phone on the map. If it's nearby, choose Play Sound to pinpoint it quickly. If not, lock it remotely and display a message with a contact number so a finder can return it. Once you lock it, enable Lost Mode to suspend Apple Pay or Google Pay and force a passcode requirement. Also sign out of banking and sensitive apps remotely if you suspect theft. These steps reduce risk while you recover the device. Finally, when you have a lead, approach recovery safely. If you find the phone, inspect it for tampering and immediately change your account passwords. If it's in an unsafe location or clearly stolen, do not attempt retrieval alone. Report the serial number and the last known location to police and provide your device's identifying info. If recovery looks impossible, use the Remote Erase Device option to wipe personal data. Make sure you understand that erasing will disable further location tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.